Ever wonder how your voice travels from your lips into a machine? It's a journey from air to electricity. When you speak, you create vibrations in the air called sound waves. These waves are the first step. Inside every microphone is a diaphragm. As sound waves hit it, it vibrates, perfectly mimicking the pattern of your voice. This is where the magic happens. The microphone converts these physical vibrations into a tiny electrical signal. This signal is an exact electronic copy of the sound waves. That signal is then sent to be recorded or amplified. From a simple vibration to a digital footprint, that's how a microphone captures your voice.